We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making smoky roasted fingerling potatoes with a ridiculously tasty dipping sauce. Fingerlings are thin-skinned small potatoes that taste rich, nutty, and buttery. To roast the potatoes, cut them in half lengthwise. This makes them perfect for picking up and dipping into the sauce. There are quite a few varieties of fingerling potatoes. Some are yellow, others are purple, like the ones you see here. Toss the potatoes with a high-heat cooking oil, salt, and fresh ground black pepper. Now it's time for the oven. Here's a large cast iron pan that's been heating up in the oven so that it's nice and hot. If you don't have a cast iron pan, no worries, just use a baking sheet. We roast the potatoes cut side down. This way, the flat or cut side of the potato becomes crisp and golden brown. As they roast, we can make that dipping sauce I mentioned earlier. We're taking inspiration from potato salad. Start with mayonnaise and sour cream, then add mustard, chopped pickles, fresh dill, apple cider vinegar, salt, pepper, and a chopped hard-boiled egg. The egg is optional, but it does add a richness and texture to the sauce. I personally love the egg in this. Don't forget, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Just stir the sauce ingredients together and set aside. Now check on the potatoes. We're looking for fork tender potatoes with a golden brown crust. When checking on them, if one is stuck to the pan, just wiggle it a little to release it. You can see that most of the potatoes are nice and golden, but a few aren't. To help them out, move them into the middle and roast a little longer so every potato has a chance to brown. That's better. Now it's time for some more flavor. I'm adding apple cider vinegar. We've done this before in our potato salad recipe. The vinegar absorbs into the potatoes and makes them extra delicious. I'm also adding smoked paprika. This adds color and a deep smoky flavor. To serve the potatoes, we pile them up onto a big plate with the dipping sauce and then finish with a little more fresh dill. The sauce is creamy and rich, and the potatoes are smoky, buttery, and golden brown. The combination of potatoes and sauce is almost addictive. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.